Hello, welcome. Let's look at another metal, copper. Copper is one of the first metals discovered and used by man. It is stable metal readily obtained from its compounds. Copper ores are widely found around the world. The main ores are copper pyrites, CuFeS2, malachite, CuCO, uh, chalcocite, Cus2, and cuprite, CuO. Physical properties of copper. Copper is a heavy reddish brown metal. It has a density of 8.95 gram per cm cubed. It is very malleable and ductile. It is a good conductor of heat and electricity. It has a melting point of 1083 degrees Celsius. It has a boiling point of 2300 degrees Celsius. It also forms alloys very readily. Chemical properties of copper. Reaction with air. It is resistant to pure dry air, but over a long period of time in a most impure atmosphere, it becomes coated with green basic copper 2 tetraoxosulfate 4 and triiocarbonate 6. On heating in air or oxygen, copper is readily oxidized to give black copper 2 oxide. Effects of acid. Copper is lower than hydrogen in the electrochemical series. Hence, it is not capable of displacing hydrogen from dilute acids. It is, however, attacked by oxidizing acids like triosonitrate 5 acid and tetraoxosulfate 6 acids. Extraction of copper. Copper pyrites, CuFeS2, is the ore usually used for the extraction of copper, and it involves three stages: the concentration of the copper to remove impurities. This is done by first crushing the ore and then mixing with water. A frothing agent such as vegetable oil is then added and air is blown through the mixture. The particles of the copper are floated in the froth, while the earthy materials and waste rocks sink. The next stage is the roasting of the ore in a limited supply of air to oxidize the iron and some of the sulfur in the ore to iron 2 oxide and sulfur oxide respectively. Sulfur 4 oxide gas escaped from the top of the furnace. Iron 2 oxide is also removed by heating in the absence of air with silicon 4 oxide and is added to it in the furnace. Iron 2 triosilicate 4 is formed as a slag which flows on top of the molten copper 1 oxide and is removed. The copper produced is between 98 to 99% pure. In a case where the pure copper is required, the impure copper produced will be purified by using electrolytic method. The impure copper forms the anode in the electrolytic cell, while a strip of pure copper forms the cathode. The electrolyte is copper 2 tetraoxosulfate 6 solution. During the electrolysis, the metallic copper ionizes to form copper ions which move to the cathode where they accept electrons and become deposited as pure copper metal. Preparation of copper 2 tetraisosurface 6. Copper 2 tetraisosurface 6, there are different ways of preparing it. It can be prepared by the oxidation of copper tannins with concentrated tetraisosurface 6 acid. It is also prepared by reacting copper 2 oxide or copper 2 triosonitrate 5 with dilute tetraisosurface 6 acid. It then crystallizes out as the blue pentahydrate crystal, commonly called blue vitriol. When it is heated to about 100 degrees Celsius, it loses molecules of water of crystallization to form the monohydrate. At temperature above 300 degrees Celsius, the colorless anhydrous salt is formed. So that is it. In subsequent classes, we'll be looking at zinc and its compound. Please, if you like this, hit the subscribe button. If you have any question relating to this and other things, drop it on the comment section.